Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and join communities on your Patreon account from your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, understand that you can do this from both your Android or iOS devices. So firstly, simply go ahead and open your Patreon application. Once you've done that, make sure that you are logged in into your account. And finally, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and find the creator that has the community that you want to join. So for example, let's say I want to go to podcast, right? And let's say I want to simply go ahead and listen to Joe Budden. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. And now this is where I can simply tap on join for free, or there are also going to be membership options. As you can see that you can go ahead and take it. So that is about it. Once you go ahead and tap on join for free, then you will be joined into their community, and that is about it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and